Hey Sunny family, what's up? Welcome back. It's your Sunny trainer Sydney, and today I have a quick 5-minute mobility series for you guys. So this is a nice and quick routine that you can do at home. It's great. It's going to warm up your body, and then we're going to stretch everything out a little bit. So if you wanted to use this as like a little dynamic warm up, this would be perfect for that. Or if you want to just get some feel-good movement into your day, this would be a great thing to do for that as well. All right, so we're going to start with our first exercise. Feet are going to be a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outwards. We're going to squat down and touch our toes if you can. If not, just go as far as you can go. Reach those hands overhead and squeeze back up to the sky. All right, so we're warming up a little bit of everything here. Getting those legs moving as well as that upper body. Opening up that range of motion. It's so important before we start getting into some of those more dynamic stretches that we warm up our muscles. So this first exercise is great for that. Great job. Let's do one more. Awesome work. All right, we're gonna come down into a little lunge position. So bring those feet a little wider. We're gonna do a lunge glide. So let's go down to the right side, go right over to that left, pop it on up. Switch to the other side. All right, so we're still warming up those legs, but you can feel that nice stretch in those inner thighs here. So good. Waking everything up, getting that range of motion going. Keep breathing. You might feel your heart rate go up a little bit with this exercise because we are working our muscles. Awesome work. Let's do one more to each side. Last one. Awesome job. Bring it on up. We're gonna go on down to our mat. We're gonna do a little combination exercise. So starting in child's pose, bring those knees apart, hands straight out in front of you. Let that chest fall to the floor. Take a few seconds here to relax. And then we're gonna stretch forward, bringing our pressure into those palms. Legs come down, reaching up into a nice back extension. Head comes up to gaze towards the sky, and we're gonna bring it right back down. So we're just gonna keep alternating in between these positions. Opening up our hips, our back, our upper body. Nice and easy. And feel free to relax in each position. Take as long as you want. This is meant to be a feel-good mobility, quick little workout here. So listen to your body and give it what it wants. All right. Last one here, up into that back extension. Good job. All right, bring it on out. We're gonna come into a little low lunge now. So let's bring that right leg forward. Nice low lunge position. You don't have to be like crazy deep into it, just until you can feel nice little stretch in that hip flexor on the opposite leg, the leg behind you. Now, take the opposite arm. So if you're on the right leg like me, left hand comes up, and we're gonna stretch it overhead. Nice good stretch in those obliques, as well as through that left hip flexor. Bring it on back, and we're gonna do it again. All right, we're gonna do a few on each side, so give me a few more good ones. And with each rep here, let's try to go deeper into that position. Deeper into that stretch, and increasing that range of motion. Last one, make it a good one. All right, roll it on back. We're gonna go over to the other side now. Left leg is forward and right arm is up towards that sky. We're reaching for the wall behind us. Keep breathing, focus on that breath. Doing so good. All right, last one here. All right, let's roll it on back. We have one last exercise. So lay flat on your back on your mat. Hands come straight out to your sides. We're gonna bring one knee over the top. So let's bring the left knee over. Our left hand comes to touch our right hand, and we're gonna stretch it on back. Back behind you, and try to get that shoulder to touch the floor. If you can't touch the floor, that's totally okay. Just go as far as you can go today. And make sure that you're keeping that right shoulder firmly planted on the ground. Opening up that upper body, increasing mobility in our shoulders, our spine. All right, let's switch it over to the other side. So right knee comes over the top, as well as the right hand, and we're gonna be stretching back with that right hand. Nice. Take your time, breathe through it. Let's do 2 more. Last one. And slowly roll it on up. All right, you guys, awesome job. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this quick 5-minute mobility routine. Have a great rest of your day.